In this tutorial, I'll show you how to register a CRA account for the first time. And before you do this, you must file your income tax at least once before you can do this, because you need information from your line to be able to continue. All right, so if you haven't filed your income tax before, or you don't have at least one notice of assessment in the last 2 years, please don't bother doing this now. Just wait until you have current CRA notice of assessment. Now, to get to this page, just go to Google and type Canada Revenue Agency and click on this, and you're gonna land on this page. All right, so to begin, click sign a CRA account, or you can click up here, CRA sign in. I'll click this one. So on this page, just scroll down some of the information you need to read before you proceed, and it's not really complicated. Just so you know, click on register for a CRA account. So choose a sign-in option to register with. So you can choose sign-in partner, which means, let's say, so if I click on this, all right, so these are the sign-in partners, and it's basically the bank you are using, okay, because you can use your online banking to sign in, okay. Or let's say, for instance, if you are with CIBC, you just have to click on it and proceed. But I'll go back, because in most cases, if you have online banking, if you don't, you have to use CRA user ID and password, which is what most people will use, and that's what I use as well. Or you can go with provincial partner if you are in BC or Alberta. All right, but I'll click on this one. All right, so on this page, enter your social insurance number, your date of birth, and enter the amount on the line 1500 of your recent notice of assessment document, and just check the line number, because it might change. It can be 15000 or 150. Okay, so just so you know, then click next. All right, so on this page, using the same income tax and benefit return from the previous page, enter line 12900. Okay, like the line number will always change, because what I have 12900 or 12900, but in your case it can be 12500. Okay, so you have to check the line number they are requiring you to enter carefully. All right, and the amount on that line, let's say if it's $20,000 and 50 cents, please don't enter the 50 cents. All right, just enter the $20,000 and don't add or the comma. Okay, if this has, let's say, $15,000 and 50 cents, please don't enter the 50 cents, just enter $15,000 without the comma. All right, and when you are done, click next. Yeah, on this you have two options for verification. You have the Interact document verification service, which means through the process you might have to display your ID, which in most cases is your driver's license. If you don't have that, then your passport. All right, don't use your health card. But I prefer the CRA security code by mail. That's the best option, because with the first one you might run into problems or challenges, and I'll go with the CRA security code by mail, and in 5 to 10 days after finishing this, they will send you the code, and you just have to go in and continue and use the code to continue signing up. But when we get there, I'll let you know. Okay, let the second option if you want, which is what I recommend, and click next. But enter your postal code exactly the way it is and click next. All right, so on this page you have to create CRA user ID and password. All right, so just enter a user ID. Please make sure you write it somewhere. Okay, take a paper and write it down. It has to be at least 8 to 16 characters, and your password as well, but just read it carefully before you do it. Okay, and next you will land on this page, which is the security questionnaires and answers. So what it means is you have to select questions that you think you can answer or that best relates to you, and answer all of them. I believe it's about 5 questionnaires. And the reason why you have to do this, in case you are logging in from a public Wi-Fi or using like a public laptop computer, CRA can detect the IP address that is not your home laptop or internet. Okay, just for your own security. And then you have to enter this Also, they can choose to ask you this question anytime, just for your security. Okay, so when you're done all of this, which this will take you like about 5-10 minutes, okay, to do it. So you just have to be patient. Then when you are done, click next. All right, so this will bring you to the terms and condition of use. You just have to scroll down, read it, and click I agree. Don't click I disagree. Okay, so click agree. And last but not least, CRA security code notification confirmation. Security measures, we will mail your CRA security code to your address on record with the CRA. You should receive it within 5 to 10 days. Okay, so when you receive it on the paper, they will show you the steps to take to log in, but basically it's the same user ID and the password. Enter that particular code just to be sure it's you. Now, this is the best option, and you just have to be patient. Within 5 to 10 days, you'll receive it. And after that, you'll be able to complete your registration and you have access to your CRA account. And from there, you don't need to call CRA anymore. Anytime you want to log in into your account and print a notice of assessment, it's going to be accessible to you. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time.